Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fill the clean water tank and how to empty the dirty water tank on your DREAME Aqua10 roller. Okay, so if you'd like to do it, open the lid on the top and you'll see two tanks here. And on the right there is the clean water tank, which is white translucent plastic, and you can open it like that in order to fill it all the way in and then close it. Now once it's closed, put it back in, and if you'd like to empty the dirty water tank, just remove it, open it, and empty it. It's also worth cleaning it on the inside so it doesn't get moldy and stuff. And that's about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.